Consider a 1 meter cube. We're interested in the volume of this cube, and we know that for a 1 meter cube, the volume is 1 meter cubed. We also know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So this same cube measured in centimeters would be 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. The volume of the cube then is going to be 100 times 100 times 100. This gives us 1 million. And the units this time, since we're measuring lengths in centimeters, is centimeters cubed. It follows then, since it was the same cube, that 1 meter cube is the same as 1 million centimeters cubed. We previously discussed with area conversion the fact that there are a lot to remember. There could be a lot of volume conversions to remember. However, if you remember the length conversions, and most people already know these, and you remember this method, you can then convert any volume units. Now consider a 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. The volume of this cube is 1 centimeter cubed. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So measured in millimeters, the same cube is 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters. The volume in millimeters cubed then will be 10 times 10 times 10. This gives us 1000 millimeters cubed. It follows that 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1000 meters cubed. Once again we can see that knowing the length conversion plus the method enables us to find the volume conversion.